Welcome to the Reps Anywhere channel. I'm Carolyn and I'm going to take you through what's new in September's UK Avon brochure. The offers and prices in this brochure are available to order online from the 1st until the 31st of September at midnight, and you'll find a link to the current brochure as well as the featured products in the description below. If you like what you see and want to be first to get a look at what's coming in October, before the brochure's even available, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss it. Here's our pick of the new products and offers in September. How can we not start with September's cover product, Far Away Beyond the Moon Parfum? This addition to the Far Away fragrance family is a long-lasting parfum that's powered by the unique Belle de Nuit. This is a nocturnal flower that blooms in the moonlight. Sweet and juicy wild cherry opens the fragrance. Belle de Nuit flower creates an intoxicating floral heart to the scent, then creamy and rich Australian sandalwood brings the perfume together at the base. With a richer and more intense fragrance oil, the captivating floral and oriental parfum gives a longer lasting scent and more value for money. Far Away Beyond the Moon is a parfum and therefore has a higher concentration of fragrance oils. This means the scent is longer lasting on the skin, which is something everyone wants. 68% of luxury fragrance users said they would switch to Far Away Beyond the Moon based on a blind sniff test with 120 participants carried out in 2022. You can buy the 50ml parfum for £14, or you can add the purse spray and the body lotion and get it all for just £17. Let's look at another new fragrance launch this month, Elite Gentleman Quest Eau de Toilette. This spicy woody aftershave is a blend of ginger, coffee oil essence and cedarwood. Spray the woody and spicy fragrance onto your pulse points and get ready to take on the day. Ginger creates a spicy and oriental top note to the aftershave. The unmistakable scent of coffee oil essence creates a nutty and refined heart to the scent, and then cedarwood brings a warm and woody note to the base of the fragrance. The Eau de Toilette is £14, or you can get both the fragrance and the hair and body wash for £15. Avon's Gel Shine nail enamels are a favourite with customers, so I know the new Power Stay gel nail enamels are going to be even more popular. Launching in 25 shades, this life-proof gel polish does not need a UV lamp and offers 8 days wear. Add on another 2 days by using the enamel strengthening top coat. The polish also has a specially designed contoured brush for effortless application, a thicker formula for full coverage in one coat, and an improved chipping resistance. They're £5 each, or 2 for £8.50. In last month's video, we reviewed loads of Europe's best-selling Avon fragrances that are now available in the UK. I'm delighted to say that even more fragrances are joining the UK range. Some are old favourites making a comeback and others are completely new to the UK market. Let's take a look. Passion Dance. This fragrance is making a return to the UK after about 6 years of absence. I know some customers who are going to be very excited. Be seduced by your passion with the chic perfume of Passion Dance Eau de Toilette, inspired by the Argentine tango. Discover notes of tempting black narcissus, seductive rose and hot sandalwood. A sheep fragrance, by the way, is the name of a family of perfumes. They're typically warm and dry and characterised by the contrast between fresh top notes and woody mossy undertones. Sweet and fresh narcissus opens the perfume, the unforgettable floral scent of rose is at the heart of the fragrance, and sandalwood brings a rich and creamy base to the scent. Feel the passion by spritzing the sensual fragrance onto your pulse points and enjoy the confident scent all day. Passion Dance is launching at £10. New to the UK this month, we have Perceive for Him, and making a comeback, Perceive Eau de Parfum. I know what you might be thinking, isn't Perceive a current UK fragrance? Well, it seems it may have been unavailable in the UK for a heartbeat and now it is relaunching. Perceive Eau de Parfum is a floral fragrance. Unveil your inner sanctuary and the feeling of calm with uplifting scents of pear, spiritual pink dianthus and beautiful orchid. For a more powerful, longer lasting scent, pair the perfume with the matching body lotion. Relaunching at £12 for the 50ml, or savvy shoppers will notice that you can get both a 50ml and a matching 10ml purse spray for £12. Uncover the mystery of your sensuality with the chic aftershave of Perceive for Man Eau de Toilette. Enter a world of unlimited possibilities with vibrant citrus, mysterious sage and warm cedarwood. The fragrance opens with a zesty and fresh citrus scent, sage creates an earthy and herbal heart to the aftershave, and cedarwood brings a warm and woody note to the base of the fragrance. Spritz the sensual chic fragrance onto your pulse points and go on a journey to discover what the day brings. The 75ml bottle is launching at just £12. Another familiar face making a return to the UK is Imari Cara Eau de Toilette. Embrace your own shape and sensuality with scents of sparkling raspberry liquor, seductive rose and tempting cocoa butter accord for a perfume that's as tempting as you are. The fruity and sweet scent of blackberry opens the fragrance, rose creates a delicately floral heart to the perfume, and deliciously sweet and oriental scented cocoa butter brings the scent together at the base. Celebrate your tempting curves with a spritz of the fruity and oriental fragrance that shows off your sultry side. You can get the 50ml eau de toilette for £12, or for £11.50 you can get both the fragrance and a matching body lotion. Lastly, 2 more fragrances that are returning to the UK, Elite Gentleman in Black and Black Suede Dark. Strive for excellence and make yourself unforgettable with the fougere and woody aftershave of Elite Gentleman in Black. Set yourself apart with the highly sophisticated scent of spearmint, sensual French lavender and unique black vetiver. Available at £14 for the 75ml bottle. Entice with a scent that dares to seduce with the woody, aromatic and leathery notes of Black Suede Dark. A truly daring combination of cardamom, leather and vetiver. The aromatic and spicy scent of cardamom opens the fragrance. Leather brings an unforgettably earthy and woody heart to the scent, and smoky and deep vetiver brings the aftershave together at the base. Relaunching at just £14 for the 75ml eau de toilette. You can also get the hair and body wash for £5 and the roll-on deodorant for £3, or all 3 items for £16. An offer to look out for this month if you like lavender is the 3 for £9 mix and match. You can choose from these lavender favourites: Beauty Sleep Hand Cream, Overnight Treatment Cream, Clay Mask, Deodorising Foot and She Spray, Sleep Ritual Pillow Mist, Lavender and Ginger Room Spray, Lavender and Ginger Hand Lotion, or the Lavender and Ginger Bath and Shower Elixir. Light up your senses with the Dancing Skies Bath and Shower range, fragrance with cosmic violet and amber moonstone and enriched with natural extracts. The collection includes liquid soap, bubble bath in a choice of 500ml and 1 litre, as well as a shower cream available in 250 or 500ml. I should point out that the liquid soap comes a little fuller than this. We couldn't resist trying it out before filming, so there's some missing from this bottle. The range is infused with the scent of cosmic violet and amber moonstone for a celestial fragrance that is out of this world. The 500ml bubble bath is £2.25, 1 litre £2.75, the 250ml shower cream is £1.25, off £1.75 for the 500ml, and the liquid soap for 250ml is £1.20. Are you ready for a moment of luxury with Avon's Apothecary inspired bath and shower elixirs scented with aromatherapy essential oils to gently care for your body and mind? Available in aromatic bergamot and green tea, luxurious lemongrass and coconut, and indulgent lavender and ginger. These bath and shower elixirs expand the popular Senses Essence range, which already includes hand wash, hand lotion and room sprays. They're available at just £4.50 for a 500ml bottle. As darker mornings start to arrive over the coming months, we know how difficult it can be to want to get out of bed in the morning. Wave bye-bye to the morning blues with Avon's colour-changing, gradually glowing mood lamp. It's the perfect way to set up the day. Its sunrise effect glow helps you get up and go. Did we mention the colour-changing lamp? Well, you can use it as a mood light to wind down after a long day at work, or wake up gently. It features a gradual glowing light, has an adjustable 15, 30 or 60-minute timer, and is designed to help you wake up gently. It's perfect to use as a mood light too. It's approximately 15 by 7 centimetres and is powered by a USB cable which is included. Simply place it on your bedside table and get set for a touch of zen in your sleeping space, night and day. We put this preview of September's Avon catalogue together because our online customers wanted to be able to see what offers and new products were coming next month. If you want to know what's coming in October, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be first to know when we publish the next video. Thanks for watching.